In this video I will show you how you can roll your pants the same way I showed you how you roll the t-shirts and even underwear and socks. You can also roll the pants, and these are pajama pants, but you can actually roll even jeans like this, any really kinds of pants. And this is a bit different than what you probably saw before. You put a pocket like this, roll inside out one of the legs, and the other one doesn't have to be rolled out like that, but you could do it if you want to. It doesn't really matter. I really just folded it in, and then you have the pants laying flat on a surface, on the bed or on any surface, and you, as you would imagine, you bring the pants in. But what's important here, on top should be the leg that is not folded inside out, the one that is the simple one. And then I roll them, I fold them again one more time, and I start rolling the pants. Here I can really make the roll very tight, and the bigger the pocket you leave on the sleeve, on the outside, the easier it's gonna be to fit this. This was actually a bit more difficult than I thought, because this material is not flexible. This is just cotton here, and it was a little tight fit, but eventually I got the pants to fit, and it's really well compacted. It's actually much better than I was expecting. It's really great to have in a bag like this. You can even hear how it sounds like. It really sounds like it's really like a watermelon. But that's how you roll your pants, pajama pants, jeans, any pants you have. You make a pocket in one of the legs and you keep that on the outside when you roll it. You could also do it on the waist, but it's more complicated like that. It's easier like this. Thanks for watching. Watch the next one.